Welcome to this extended English conversation practice.
In this video, you will hear a long English conversation.
Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Let's begin.
Hi, David. It's been a while since we last met. How have you been these days?
Hello, Sarah. I've been doing well. Just busy with work. The weather seems a little strange today, doesn't it?
Yes, it was sunny in the morning, but now it looks like it might rain. Do you enjoy rainy weather?
I don't mind it, especially if I can. Stay indoors and read.
What does your usual morning routine look like during the week?
I usually wake up early, go for a short walk, and then have breakfast. What about you?
I often do some light stretching and then prepare tea before starting my day.
Do you eat breakfast every morning, or do you sometimes skip it?
I try to eat breakfast every day because it gives me energy. What about you?
I eat breakfast most days, but sometimes I just have coffee when I'm in a hurry.
What kind of work are you doing these days, David?
I'm working as a project coordinator in a small company. Are you still studying?
Yes, I'm finishing my last year of university, and it keeps me quite busy.
What do you usually like to do in your free time?
I enjoy painting and sometimes writing in my journal. How do you spend your free time?
I often play the guitar or watch documentaries in the evenings.
Do you meet your friends often, or are you too busy?
I try to meet them at least once a week, usually on weekends. What about you?
I also meet my friends on weekends, mostly for coffee or lunch.
Do you like shopping or do you find it tiring?
I enjoy shopping when I'm in the mood, especially for books or clothes. What about you?
I don't shop often, but I do enjoy looking at new technology in stores.
Do you think you spend too much time on your phone?
Probably yes, because I use it for work, social media, and entertainment. How about you?
I also spend a lot of time on my phone, but I try to use it mainly for learning.
Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently?
Yes, I visited the mountains last month, and it was beautiful. What about you?
I haven't traveled lately, but I want to take a trip to the beach soon.
What kind of food do you enjoy the most?
I really like spicy food because it's full of flavor. What about you?
I prefer lighter meals like salads and soups.
Do you prefer hot drinks like tea and coffee, or cold drinks like juice?
I prefer hot drinks, especially tea, because it feels comforting. What about you?
I usually drink coffee in the morning and juice in the evening.
Do you play any sports regularly?
Yes, I play basketball twice a week with some friends. Do you play any sports?
I sometimes go swimming, especially in the summer.
Do you already know what you're going to do this weekend?
Yes, I'm planning to visit my grandparents. Do you have plans?
I'll probably meet a few friends for dinner and then watch a movie.
What type of music do you usually listen to?
I listen to pop and rock music depending on my mood. What about you?
I enjoy classical music because it helps me concentrate while studying.
I enjoy classical music because it helps me concentrate while studying.
Do you read many books during the year?
Yes, I try to read at least one book every month. Do you watch movies often?
What are your personal goals for the future?
I want to continue growing in my career and maybe start my own business. What about you?
I want to finish my studies and then work as a teacher.
How do you usually get around the city?
I usually take the bus because it's convenient and affordable. How do you travel?
I prefer riding my bicycle because it's healthy and faster for short distances.
Do you exercise regularly to stay fit?
Yes, I go jogging 3 times a week. Do you exercise?
I do yoga at home almost every day because it helps me relax.
How big is your family, Sarah?
There are 6 people in my family: my parents, 2 brothers, 1 sister, and me. What about yours?
My family is smaller, just 4 people. My parents, my sister, and me.
Do you enjoy learning English or do you find it difficult?
I enjoy it because it helps me communicate with people from other countries. Do you like learning it?
Yes, I like learning English because it opens new opportunities for my future.
What is one of your best childhood memories?
I remember going on a picnic with my family by the lake, and it was wonderful. What about you?
My best memory is playing football with my friends until sunset during summer holidays. Okay, it was such a nice and meaningful conversation today, David.
Excellent work. We just practiced a long English conversation about daily life, food, travel, hobbies, money, health, jobs, and more.
Watch again, repeat often, and keep improving your English listening and speaking skills.